Breaking right now here at 5 o'clock, sounds of hope from below. The Coast Guard says that sonar has picked up banging noises for a second day as search crews race to find a missing sub and its 5 passengers. The Coast Guard says they are still holding out hope as new state-of-the-art underwater search equipment is rushed to that scene. Thank you for joining us. I'm David Wade.
And I'm Paula Eben. Lisa is off, and the clock continues to tick down on what could be the last hours of remaining oxygen inside the Titan. WBZ's Beth Germano is live in Boston tonight with the breaking details from the Coast Guard. Beth?
Well, the search is now being stepped up in the area where those noises were detected, which is offering a glimmer of hope, even as rescuers caution against reading too much into this new development in an ocean that is a world of noises.
Oh, this is a search and rescue mission, 100%.
Rescuers not losing hope about locating the submersible Titan, even as the clock continues to tick for locating its 5 survivors. But they are now analyzing unidentified noises, picked up both yesterday and today by Canadian military surveillance aircraft, which is helping to define the search area.
We don't know what they are, to be frank with you. The P3 detected noises. That's why they're up there. That's why they're doing what they're doing. That's why they put sonar buoys in the water.
But it is now an expanded search area, twice the size of Connecticut. And the Coast Guard is sending in more resources both above and below the surface while experts sort out the signals.
The noises have been described as banging noises, but again, they have to put the whole picture together in context, and they have to eliminate potential man-made sources other than the Titan.
The Titan vanished Sunday as it journeyed to the wreckage of the Titanic during a tourist voyage. And now the group's oxygen is dwindling with mere hours left, even as the Coast Guard has remotely operated deep water vehicles now combing the waters and is rushing in more. URI oceanography professor Christopher Roman says it all takes time that's running out.
Unfortunately, everything in the deep ocean happens sort of slowly. All the equipment, none of this equipment that's heading that way is designed to operate quickly. The environment just doesn't let you do that.
The Coast Guard says it's complex, a search so far offshore, changing weather conditions and coordinating multiple agencies and nations.
I can't tell you what the noises are, but what I can tell you is, and I think this is the most important point, we're searching where the noises are, and that's all we can do at this point.
Tonight, murdered.
Now, the Coast Guard says there are what they call limited rations on board that vessel, and they say a search and rescue mission is all about hope. Reporting live from outside the U.S. Coast Guard station in Boston, I'm Beth Germano, WBZ News.
All right, Beth, thank you.